It was a busy day in Hampton Roads. President Biden paid a visit to Virginia Beach. News 2 reporters and anchors were out all afternoon long, bringing you live coverage as Air Force One touched down at Naval Air Station Oceana. Our crews were hard at work bringing you live coverage of the event and how our community reacted and what leaders had to say. And we're continuing that team coverage tonight. Now, this is the second time since his inauguration that President Joe Biden was in Hampton Roads. The president pushed his message to protect access to affordable health care. And News 3's Leandra Head joins us live now in studio with more from the president's speech in Virginia Beach. Now, Leandra, what did he focus on today?
Well, Pari, I can tell you that President Biden's speech was billed as a healthcare policy speech, but it was still political. He rallied for programs he claims Republicans are trying to get rid of.
If mega Republicans try to take away people's health care by gutting Medicaid and the Affordable Care Act, I will stop them.
Inside the Kempsville Rec Center in Virginia Beach, around 600 people filled inside.
If you get rid of the Affordable Care Act, it would mean that more than 100 million Americans with pre-existing conditions would lose the critical protections they have now.
The president claimed Republicans want to make cuts to health care programs like Medicaid. Republicans in Congress fired back, saying they have no plans to cut Social Security or Medicare. Congressman Jen Kiggins represents the state's 2nd district, including Virginia Beach. She responded in a statement saying in part, quote, "Today the president came to my district and attempted to mislead my constituents. This issue should never be used as a partisan publicity stunt. Improving Medicare to ensure it can continue to provide America's seniors with the services they rely on will require bipartisanship. It will not be accomplished by endless fear-mongering or finger-pointing." Biden also said he plans to release his budget proposal by March 9th and said it would not include tax increases on people who make under $400,000 a year, but said he would push for more taxes on corporations and billionaires.
I want to make it clear, I'm going to raise some taxes. Many of you are billionaires out there, you're going to stop paying at 3%. The idea that they pay at a rate that is lower than the rate of a police officer, a school teacher, a nurse, is bizarre.
The U.S. government reached its borrowing limit in January and will have to raise the debt ceiling or the government could default on its debt. Despite that, President Biden vowed to protect health care programs like Medicaid.
Medicaid also pays for nursing home care for about 2/3 of all Americans who live in nursing homes. Cut Medicaid, and the quality of care in nursing homes goes down.
And President Biden's visit today brought a lot of attention to people in the Kempsville area. He has not announced that he's running for re-election yet, but there could be an announcement in the upcoming days.
Yeah, we're definitely waiting to hear that. Political pundits are kind of alluding to that.
Definitely.
Thank you so much for that report, Leandra.